Hello friends, welcome back to channel. In our previous video we had talked about the command and I have made many videos on the commands, but today we will learn all the command in a single video. So we'll start. So I have logged into my server which is having the IPR command. If you see, you will come to know the IP. Okay, and I have logged into another server which is my Jenkins box that is having 106 IP. Okay, so first command is IPR to find the IP, or you can use hostname -i. If you use hostname, it will give you the current hostname, and if you want to change the hostname, you can do hostname kk. If you run hostname now, it will reply kk, but it's at runtime. Okay, once you log off and restart your session, it will go on because we have not made the permanent entry. So this is how you can check the IP, hostname -i, hostname command for checking the hostname and giving the value will take as a hostname as a runtime value. Then next command is pwd, present working directory. So like I am in /root, so if I go in /etc pwd, it will tell me which directory I am in. Then we are having ls command to list the files and directory, ls-l for long list, where I will get the detail, permissions, owner, group owner, and the date, the file name or directory name. If it is starting with D, is the directory. If it is starting with hyphen, that's a normal file. Then ls-lrth, these are the options. So it will tell which is the last updated file. So as you can see, April 13 is the last updated. So ls-lth. Previously we use ls-lrth, but this time I will remove R. So we'll get older one. R is for reverse manner. Now we'll go to /root. I am in. To clear the screen, what keyword we are in? Sleep clear. It will clear my screen. Or else you can press CTRL+L. Okay, hold the control and press the L key. So it will also clear your screen. Then to know the kernel, which kernel I am using Linux kernel. Okay, here we'll see another server, uname. This is also I am using Linux kernel. But if I want to know the release, uname-r, this is my release. And if I go to other server, uname-r release is 5.5 generic, and here's 10. But this is the release I am using, or the kernel. But what is my OS? cat/etc. In Red-release is there, so it will tell you the Red Hat Enterprise 7. Okay, let me switch. Here if I go cat/etc is here, I will get Ubuntu OS is there, and command is cat/etc os-release. And the best practice you can do, cat/etc *release. This will read the file. So this is how you can understand which kernel you are using. Then we are having man command. What is the man command? We have executed ls command, and we have used only few options like ls-l and this thing. There is another option ls-a. So it will tell you the hidden file. Whatever start with dot, that's the hidden in Linux. You can make a hidden directory or hidden file like ls-la, long list a. sh is a hidden directory. dbus is directory. Config is also directory. Amit is also directory. So you can make files in directory. If it is starting with dot, okay, so that will become a hidden file or hidden directory. So I want to know more about ls command. So what you can do, man ls. So user manual will open about this command. It will show list directory content, synopsis, description, on the option -a, -b, c, d, e, h. Many options are there. Accordingly you can read about that command and use it. So man is for that, or you can do ls -l. If you do help, then also this will get print. Okay, so this how you can use it, man and help command. Then ls-l, if you see, we are having a file called amit, am, akd and a. All are this file. I want to read the file. So what you have to do, cat file a, there's nothing. Then we'll go to akd, there's nothing. Then we will look for am also not having the data. AMI. Okay, AMIT is having the data. So this is how you can read the content of any file using the cat command. There are many uses. So we'll go for some file which is having the data like rc.local. Okay, this is having 2 lines. Okay, so if you do cat /etc rc.local, which is the original file, you will see these are the comment. Whatever starting with hash, it's a comment, and then we are having a blank line and 2 lines are written. So if I do cat, I am not getting much detail. If I do cat -b, okay, and /etc rc.local file name, so now I am able to see line number starting of every line, but this command is not counting the blank lines. So using this you will come to know how many lines are written actually. But if you want to count the blank line, you can use n. It will count the blank line also. It has given a 12 number to blank line. Okay, now at rc.local. So I am getting multiple lines which is blank. I don't want to read, so let's squeeze it. So what is showing this many blank line, 3 lines, it has became a 1, and here also 2 blank line became a 1. So this how, if multiple blank line is there, so -s will squeeze that thing. rc.local file here. So I'm not getting much detail. My current system time is April 13 is 1 o'clock IST 2023. I want to know more about this file, when it got created, when it got edited, when it got modified. So what command we have? Stat, stat, and the file name rc.local. So access time is this one, modify time is this one, change time is this one. Okay, we have just made the changes around 2 minutes back, so it's showing those things. So using a stat command, you can see /etc rc.local original file is saying change on 12th, access on 12th, modify on 12th. Okay, so modify is on 22, year 22, change is also on year 22, but access, it got accessed yesterday itself. So this how you can come to know when this file got appended, or like any changes happen to that file. Now as you see stat rc.local, you are able to see access, modify, and change time. Now we'll learn about the creating a blank line, and then we'll change this timing. There's a command called touch. We do touch kk first. We'll do ls-l. Okay, so kk is not there. We'll create a blank file touch kk. So kk got created just now, and this is blank file, you can see. So what touch is doing, if file is not there with that name, it will create that file. If file is there, and even we are running the touch command, if file is there and still we are running a touch command, like Amit is there, Jan 1st 2022 is showing ls-l, so timestamp will get changed, access time. Okay, so this how, if you want to update any file or directory, any file access time, you can use this command touch, and the file name, it will change that thing, like stat Amit. So access time is got change, modifier also got change, and change time is also got change for that file. So this how you can update. But if I want to change only access time and change time, okay, not modify time, in this modify time also get changed. So what we'll do, touch -a, let's see, then stat, we're able to see modify time is just 134 and access 135, change also 135. So if you are using touch -a option, only access and change time will get changed, modified time will not get changed. Now as you know, if you are running touch and any file name which is not present, it will create file. But let's assume I don't want to create a file. If file is there, just update the timestamp. Okay, -c, pp file is not got created. It's checking if file is present, I will update timestamp. If file is not present, I will not create a new file. So touch -c pp, it will just check the file is present or not. If present, change the time. then like this stat. Now I want to change the modified time only. Earlier we have updated access and change time. Now I want to just modify the modification time. So m and file name is Amit. Stat Amit. So this time you are able to see modify and change time got changed. Access time was same. Okay. This option you can use. This AKD got created in Jan 1st. Okay. Now I want to create a file with this reference. Like whatever timestamp AKD is having, I want to create a file using that timestamp. So first we'll do stat AKD. So as you can see, this AKD file is having access time, this modify and change time is different. So I will take a reference of this. Current time is 1:38. Okay. So how I have to create a file using touch-r. Okay. Now we'll give the reference file name AKD, and the file I want to create is test1. Okay. Stat AKD and stat test1. Okay. We'll see both the stat. See, everything is same, exact same. So it has taken a reference from AKD and created a file called test. Okay. So that's how you can use it to take a reference, access and modify it. Now we'll go further like LL. Now my AM file is got created in April 12. It's showing. I want to change the timestamp of that. Okay. I want to give a new timestamp. So touch-t, then year 2020 I want to give. Okay. And month 1st Jan, and date. Now time is 23:55 and the file name is AM. Okay, let's see. So it got Jan 1st 2020 into stat AM. So access time, modified time got change. Okay, change time will be today's. Now if you want to change something 23:55, and so how it is year, so I will make 2021, this month and the date, and today we'll make it 11/23. Okay, again I have changed. Now we'll see. So 11th of Jan 2021, 23:55. So this how you can change any file. You can give a future date also, like I can give 2025. Let's see LI. Okay, and if you see stat AM, so what is showing 2025. So you can change the timestamp of any file using this command. Now we have learned about the files. We'll go furthermore. ls-l will list. Okay, there is no such directory in our file, so we'll create a directory. For creating a directory, what we are having mkdir, make directory and the directory name. Like I want to create a directory called Monday. Okay, now we'll do ll. So Monday got created. If I want to change a permission, like it is having this permission, read, write, execute, read, write, read, execute, read, execute. If I want to create mkdir -m 777 Tuesday ll. So Tuesday directory got created with these permissions. You're able to see. So this how you can create. Now mkdir, as we know we are having Monday. Under Monday I want to create O, and under O I want to create PP. It won't create because under Monday O is not there. Until O is not there, it will not create a PP. So that's why it's giving an error. But if you want to create a directory with the parent, like O is the parent of PP. Monday is there, but O is not there. So if I use -p, it will create for everything, like Monday. Under Monday we have O, under O we are in PP. If you do pwd, it will show you. You can create a directory, you can modify the permission while creating a directory, you can create a directory and the parent directory in a single shot. Now to remove a directory, first we should be out of that directory. Okay, rmdir pp ls7l, see, pp got removed. But if I go to my home directory and see Monday, and if I try to do rmdir Monday, it won't create because it's saying rmdir failed to remove Monday, directory is not empty. So if you're using rmdir command, the directory should be empty, as Monday is having directory called O, so it's not deleting. So how to remove? Okay, first we have to go inside cd Monday, then rmdir remove. Okay, if I press O, it will get deleted, but I want to delete Monday also. So what will do? Delete my parent also. rmdir O cd LL. Monday is there, it's not deleting because we are not giving the path. So mkdir Monday O and then pp with -p option, it got created. Now rmdir -p Monday O pp ls7l. Monday is also got deleted because we have given the complete path. So this is how you can delete a parent directory also. Now ls7l will talk about the copy command. So like we are in file Amit, which is having some data. Oh sorry, get Amit. Hi, this is Amit, it's something like that. So I want to copy this file. cp source of this file Amit, destination name, what you want to give, Amit1. Let's see. Now we'll open get Amit1. It is also having the content. This we have copied in a same directory. Now if I want to copy Amit to different directory, so destination will be, okay, will not do anything. Amit file we are copying to temp, is already there, we all write it. Okay, so what is happening? cp Amit and temp, we are not giving destination file name. So what is taking? It's taking source file name and moving to temp. If you want, you can give Amit11. So what it will do, under temp, it will create a file called Amit11 with the same content. So if you are not giving the destination file name, it will take the source file name. If you are giving the destination file name, it will create a file on a destination with that file name. Okay, now we'll see the options. cp-i is an interactive mode. So it will ask we want to delete or you want to overwrite or not. And there's an option called -n. It will not overwrite. Like when we are doing cp Amit tmp, it is every time is asking overwrite. See, yes or no. If I press no, it won't. So here if I put cp-n Amit, if file is there, don't do anything. Okay, so cp-n source and destination, if file is there with that name, don't overwrite it or don't ask me to overwrite. ls7n, this akd file is having gen first, so cp akd, and I will create a file called old L. So what is happening? From akd we have created an old file, but old got today's timestamp. Okay, if you lose that old, it got the today timestamp. I don't want. I want the same timestamp which akd is having. Like akd is having timestamp gen first. Okay, I want to copy the same timestamp akd old 1. Okay, let's see. If you see, old 1 got with got created with the same timestamp, stat old 1. So it has preserved the source file timestamp and created new file stamp. Now ls-l, this call called recursive cp/etc. etc is the directory. If I want to copy in tmp, it won't create. Okay, we have changed the cd, sorry. So if I want to copy /etc under /tmp, it won't create because showing omitting a directory. That means there is some file which is not yet open or not in that thing, so we will not copy. To do that, cp-R. So what it will do, copy recursively /etc and put in the temp. See, it's copying, is copy done. Go to temp, etc is there. See, all etc file came and we are in under temp, not /etc. So that's how you can copy file and a directory in a recursive manner. Now as you know, cp/etc/tmp won't work. If I do recursive, it will say overwrite, file is there. Do you want to overwrite? No. But it's hard to do no every time. So what we can do, recursively is okay, use -u option. If update in /etc, then only see there is no update in /etc, so we cannot update. So first we'll go in /etc rc.local and we'll make some changes. We'll do touch /tmp test. We have made one entry. Now if we run cp-r recursively -u update /etc/temp, so what it will do, whatever file is updated in /etc, it will copy that file. See, it's asking overwrite, yes. Rest data is not copying. So otherwise what is happening is keep on copying 100 files. Now it is just updating only one file. We'll see /tmp and the tmp etc is there, the etc rc.local. See, it got that entry. So this is the best command, recursively -u update. If update is there, then only copy. Okay, let me clear my screen using CTRL+L, ls-l. Now we know how to create a file, how to create a directory, how to remove, how to copy. Now I want to know how to rename. Like my old one, I want to rename it. So mv, move command. Yes, move command to rename. We'll say old one to new one. Okay. See, old one got updated with the new one. Perfect. But why mv? It should be renamed. No, it's like that. Move command is moving source to destination. Because our source and destination is the same directory, that's why it's renaming. What we'll do, move new one under /tmp. So what it will do, it will move new one, is it will cut new one from current directory and move it to /tmp. If I do, see, new one got removed from here, and if you do ls-l/tmp, new one is there. Okay, so this is how it works. Now I want to move it back, move /tmp new one and my current directory dot. Okay, new one came back. I have given a dot. So if you see ls-l a, every directory is having two special directory, dot and a dot dot. This dot represent the current directory and dot dot represent the parent directory. Like I'm in /root, so my parent directory will be /. So that's why I have given their option mv-i interactive mode one to /tmp. Okay, -n, no need to overwrite, and -u if update is there. Okay, accordingly we can use it Then we are having ls-l, we can use it. Then we are having ls-l. So if I want to delete a file, for directory rmdir, for file rm, regular file, yes, delete it. See, a file got deleted. Now rm-i akd, you want to delete, yes, okay. But recursively, if you want rm minus capital R, this will do it recursively, remove file. Now ls, I want to know the location of ls, from where ls is coming, because whenever you write a script, you have to give particular path. Okay, so for that we are having whereis ls. So whereis ls is giving location, help in the binaries. Okay, you can look for any command like pwd, from where it is coming. So source is usr bin pwd, whereas uname, okay, uname is coming from this, but I am getting much more data like help and binaries. I don't want, so for that you can use which pwd. So it will give you the location of command only, not the binaries and all. Which ls, which uname. So exact command it will give you. Then we already learned about uname, uname-r. Now we learn about wc-l, word count. Okay, so let's see. We are in file called anaconda.cfg. Okay, so as you know, if I put control cat-n and the file name, it will give me a line number, but it is 65 lines. I don't want to treat all the lines, I just want the count. So what we'll do, wc-l anaconda.cfg 65. What is 65? Lines, but they are much more. wc, if you do wc anaconda, so it is giving 3 value: line number, words, character. Like words, how many words we are having? 150. And how many character we are having? See, 1869 character we are having in this file. So using wc-l, you will come to know how many lines and characters and words are there in that file. It is required when we are like reading a log file or something, it is getting appended or not in a proper manner. Like wc-l and log file is where log messages. So this time 5497. Using this command you will come to know file is getting appended or not, is keep on updating or not. Okay, then we are having a pipe. This pipe is joining two commands, so like cat/etc rc.local and pipe wc-l. So what it will do, it will giving the command like rc.local is having 59, but what pipe role is here? What pipe is doing, it is taking a output of this command and putting input for this command. Like first it will do get, and the content of this rc.local will provide to wc-l. Then wc-l will count the file lines. So it's joining two commands like cat rc.local pipe wc-l is having 10 line and the original file is having 15 line. And the output of this command will be provided as an input to this command. So accordingly we can run. Now we are having a find command. If you want to find any file like ll, so I am having a file called Amit. So if I want to find, okay, let's assume I am on some temp directory and I want to find all the files which is having a name called Amit. Find / location and the name, and what the name? Amit. So it will give me all the file in directory. But looking to this, I am not able to understand these are file or not. So what we will do, we'll go -type for directory, will give d, Okay, there are two directory, and if for file I will give F. So file type is directory and this thing. Now I want to find all the files which is having name Amit and permission. Yeah, permission is 644. So if you see this ls-l, that is 644. Okay, now I want to count how many files are there. So I can use pipe symbol. The output whatever is coming to screen, wc-l will count and give that number. 6 file. We'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 exact. And if I want a directory, so 0, because there is no such directory which is having 644 permission with the name. So what we'll do, 755. Let's see. Okay, is there? And if we do wc-l, if we find, okay, but find command is there, we are able to see, and the output we want to see /home Amit. This is the output we are looking for directory, and if it's a file we are looking, okay, there's no 644. Okay, file name. So every time I'm looking this ls-l and this file name, then only I will come to know. So this is how you can find. Now I want to find all the empty file. Find /empty empty -type file. These all the files are empty. Okay, there's no data. If you see, get empty, there's nothing. So using this empty type file and type D, you can come to know how many type files and directories are there which is not having any data. Like I was executing this and it's keep on going. If I want to do Control+C, if I want to break that thing, Control+C to kill that command and come out of that screen. Hope till now we are clear. Now we'll use echo. What is echo? Echo is just printing the information you are giving to screen. Echo hi all is printing a hi all. Where we are using in a scripting, like whenever we want to create script and we want to using that script we want to like push something meaningful to the screen, then we are using this. There are multiple options. Echo -n hi all. Okay, then it won't go on a next screen. Like here I have used echo hi all and my cursor moved to next screen, but here my cursor is in same screen. Okay, -n, we'll use echo and under this hello and /b all. So what backspace a file, and to remove this we have to use -e. So command is echo -e hello /b all. So what I am doing /b means backspace. So what we'll get, hello all. If I remove this space also, so we'll get continuous word hello all. See, backspace is doing the one space back. Now we are having the option called E for escape. So it will print just hello and escape one word from all. So it got removed. If I use space here and remove this space, so space will not come, it will remove that space. Okay, so that's how E is for escape. Now if one want hello is in one line and all should be new line, so /n is printing like that. If you want T like tab between hello and all is got. If you want to use vertical tab and V, so this is how you can use echo command. So there are option called -n for the same line cursor, -e for a back, -b is for backspace, E for escape, N for new line, T for tab, V for vertical tab. Okay, that's all. Pipe I have already shown you. Now we will learn about cat anaconda files. We are not on directory. cd cat anaconda.cfg. This is my file, but if I put -n, you'll come to know how many lines are there. Okay, 65. If I want to read, I want to go up and down again and again. So to read this file, we are having head anaconda.cmd, so it will print top 10 line. So but I want to see top 12 line -12, so it will show 12 line. Okay, same thing if you want to read top 20 line, you can read it, it will print 20 line. Same manner, if I want to read bottom 10 line, tail anaconda.cmd, it's showing 10 line. You can use any number, n number, like -5 or -15, so according it will show, but it won't show the complete line, because if you are giving 50 or 20, then also you have looked for. So we are having one more command called less. Okay, anaconda, it will open a file in a page manner. So this many file, you can put a space or enter, so to load the new lines. So line by line you can move further. At the end of the line, it will show end. Using up and down key, you can go up and down. If you press Q, you will come out of that thing. So less is the command which we are using. Now we'll use the redirection. First we'll see ls. Okay, we are having a file called am. At am, there's nothing. So I want to write something to am. cat/redirection to am. Here we'll write, hi all, today is Sunday. Okay, and I want to save this file. To save, Ctrl+D. Now we'll read am. So using redirection, you are able to redirect the data to the file. Now using cat, I have written something into that file. Now if I use the same arrow key again, so what will happen? Hi all, I am student. Okay, Ctrl+D, save. If I do cat am, so whatever was written earlier, it got overwritten. Okay, earlier it is having data hi today is Sunday, but now it is having hi all, I am student. So if you use single arrow, it will overwrite every time. If you use double arrow, it will append. So now hi all, I am friend. Okay, Ctrl+T will do. Now if you read the file, so whatever was already written got appended. See, hi all, I am a student, to hi all, I am your friend. So both lines got appended. This is the cat command we are showing, but you can do much thing like here we are doing tail. So I want to redirect this file to some tmp Amit. So what it will do, the line it was printing to screen, now it will get redirected to /tmp Amit file. So Amit file will have those lines. Okay, but if I do 15, so those five lines which was written in /Amit will get removed and will be overwritten by 15 lines. So wc-l/tmp Amit, so it's 15. Now again if I do 5 line, so what will happen? It will have 5 line because it's got overwritten. So same example goes here. If you do double greater than symbol, it will append. So current file size is 5. Now if you do w/, it should be 20. See, it's 20. So that's how redirection works. Now cat/tmp Amit file is having some data, but I don't want to go this much into data. I want some specific thing like enable. So what we'll do, cat/tmp Amit, this is a file name. We'll use pipe to join the file, there's a command called grep, and the thing you want to grep, like enable enable, I want to grep. So it will show you the particular line which is having grep in this content. Or other manner you can use grep amit /etc passwd, okay, without a pipe symbol. Now like here giving amit, so it's not giving any idea, okay, because it's a case sensitive. To remove the case sensitiveness, we can use grep -i amit. So if it is even in greater uppercase or lowercase, it will search. Okay, now I want, don't print the amit line, print everything else is available. So it is not printing amit line, but whatever else is available, it will print that thing. Okay, now if you say l get m is not okay, is having the data. Now I want to grep student. Okay, so grep stu, okay, this money, and file name is am, is printing. But I want to see if only stu is there, so word it won't give, because stu is not a single word, complete word is student. Okay, you can do the count -c only one time, like so grep root /etc passwd, it got 2 lines entry. If I do grep -c, what is showing 2. Okay, so how many lines are there? 2. So here it is showing the count, but if I want to capture only that particular letter, so -o, so 4 times we got 1 2 3 4, it's counting 4 and giving those letter only. You can use -- color, it's already giving the color, so that's not in use, but there's option called -color color, so it is already printing in a red color, that is okay. But now question arises, I want to grep multiple things, don't want to run again and again 2 commands, so there is an option called egrep. Okay, so egrep the pattern number 1 root and pattern number 1 bash, and in file name /etc passwd. So it's what is grabbing root and the bash. So wherever bash is there, it is printing that thing. Wherever root is there, it is printing that thing. You can do multiple things, like you can add more bash, and then we can go for pp. So it's highlighting the pp also. So in this manner you can use it. Okay, so grep will grep for a single word, egrep will help you to search multiple words. Okay, let me clear my screen using clear command or CTRL+L. Now we'll use sed command. So we'll show you first. Sed is helping you to change the file. So like get am, like my file am is having hi all, I'm a student. I want to make some changes without opening that file. So what we'll do, sed search and replace. Okay, so search for am, replace with capital AM and close it. File name is am. It's too much am happening to this command. Okay, I was giving something wrong. It should be ending with /. Okay, so what is showing, hi all, I am am. Okay, am got capital. Second option, I want to show you a character. So the first character of the line got small a got changed to uppercase. Okay, but not the second character. So to do that, complete line will do global G. So wherever small a like lowercase a is there, it will change to uppercase A. So this how you can change. But if you see file is intact, there's no changes. This is just a dry run. Okay, it is running on your screen. It is not making any changes to the actual file. So this is very useful when we are creating a script and we want to customize the data. So we are using this thing, you can customize the data. So to do this, what we'll do, if you want to make the actual changes to a file, so like this is not making any changes, as you have seen, there's no changes. But if I use -i, it will make changes to a actual file. See, got changes. Okay, if I want to change a complete word and there are multiple words, like sed -e option is there. First search for all or replace with pp and is global. Close this. This is the first. And the second thing I want to do, edit and from search student to teacher. Global is not required, so is not required. And the file name is am. Hope this is work. Is showing expression 1, some extra command. See, so I am making some silly mistake, I think. Sed -e. Okay, I forgot to put s search. Okay, so what is doing, sed all got changed to pp. I am student to change to teacher, so we are replacing two characters. But as you know, actual file is intact. You can use -i to make these changes. Get am, so it will make the changes to actual file. So this how sed will work. Sed is very useful command when we are writing a script and we want to customize the data, then only sed will come. Now for file system check, we are having df-h, which will show all the files. But using this, I don't want to show you this thing. We'll use option called cut. So why cut is required? If I want to print only the file name, okay, file system names are there, I want to print the first column itself. So what we'll do, df-h pipe, join the command using and use the cut -d, d as in delimiter. This though delimiter and the field 1. See, I'm getting thing. But if I want field 2, it will give me the blank space. Field 3, okay, I got something. Field 4, nothing. Field 5, nothing. Field 6, I'm not able to get it proper manner. Field 1 I am getting. Okay, if I do df-h, so field 1 2 3 4 5 6 is not coming. Field 10, if I do, I'm getting 1%. From where? This one. Okay, field 11, I'm getting only one line. So this is not proper. Cut is useful in many cases, but not here. There's a limitation. So syntax is df-h pipe cut -d, d as in delimiter. What delimiter we are having? Space. Okay, and the field -f1. Correct. There's an advanced command like df-h and we use awk. Okay, and the colon in this bracket, print $1, close the bracket, spaces. You're able to see. Now I can customize the data like $2. Okay, this will give two fields, file system name in the uses. See, you're able to see size. You can use $5. So what is doing? How much percentage is got used? So Dave, this got used. But this is also something fuzzy, is not human readable. So what we'll do, there's another command will contribute to colum and column sp. So it will create a tab between two lines. See, it's human readable now. So you can do anything. 3, column number 3, this much use, and you can use $2, comma. Okay, we have got extra comma here. So this is a file name, this is a size, this much is as used, or you can use percentage. Okay, accordingly you can change according to your need, use it. So we learned about the awk, cat, grep, cut, many things. Now we'll try to bring all the things together. df-h pipe grep root. Okay, there is a root file system. Okay, I want to know the only percentage. So awk single this print $5. Why I am giving 5, I will tell you. See, this is field 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I use this, I will get 75%, but I don't want to use the percent. Then in this case, we can use cut -d and delimiter is percentage here and F1 only 70. So this how we can use. So what is delimiter? Delimiter is using which you can define the difference. If I give 5 here, so this is the delimiter dividing a line. So my first character will be 7 and second will be percentage. If I use F1, so I will get 7 only. See, if I do F2, I will get percentage. Okay, and the actual file what we are using, F1 percentage delimiter is giving this, and F2 it will not give anything, it's blank. So this how you can use and bring your own command. Okay, so this is the commands what we are having, am and this thing ls. Now we'll go furthermore. The ownership of the file is having root and the permission is this one. So if I want to change the ownership, chown owner Amit. The user should be present in the OS am. If user is not present, it will give an error. ls-l. See, it's got ownership to Amit. So now owner of this file is Amit and group of this file is also Amit. So other user will not able to access. How we are defining the owner, read write. Group is having read permission, others are having only read permission. If I want to change, I want to give my group members should able to read and write. So chmod 664 am ll. So my group owner will also get read and write access. Okay, so chmod to change the ownership, to change the permission, and chown to change the ownership of the file. And if you want to do recursively, like cd Tuesday, we'll go inside the cd. Okay, here we'll get touch ak. So ak is having permission of this, and we'll go back. Tuesday is also having the permission. If I want to give the recursive chown Amit and Tuesday. If I use this command, only Tuesday will get to change the permission, not inside the file. But if I use -r, Tuesday got Amit, and cd Tuesday, inside the whatever it is there, it got the permission called Amit. Same goes with chmod 777 Tuesday. If I use this command, so only Tuesday directive file permission will get changed. See, Tuesday got 777, but if you go inside Tuesday, it's not 777. So you can use Tuesday and recursively. Now Tuesday, go inside, it is also having the 777 permission. So this is how you can use chmod and chown. Now we are having a command called history, which will show all the command which we have executed. So this many command we have executed in a history. And if I want to perform the task which is on line number 1329, okay, I want to do cd. So what we'll do, exclamation 1329. So command will get executed cd. And if I want to execute the latest command again, okay, if you use pwd and I use this key, it will execute pwd. Okay, so this is how you can use it. History is very useful. Now we are having a ping command. Ping will tell you the network is reachable to you or not. So like ping, I'm having system 192.168.1.106 is pingable, is reachable from my system. So this is how you can check pingable or not. Now we are having command called sequence seq. If you do sequence 10, so it will write 1 to 10. If you do 50, it will print sequence 1 to 50. Perfect. But if I want to print from 50 to 55, so it will start from 50 and print till 55. You can do shuffle also. So using pipe, I can touch two command. So it has shuffle 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 50. Like this, you can shuffle it. It's required in some of the script. Then we are having random command. Random is a variable which is like we can read echo random. So every time you hit it, it will give you a different number. So this is very useful when we are generating a password and we don't want to be unique to those passwords. So we are using some keyword and we'll put random. So every time password will use some random number from the system. Okay, and you can short a command like this is a shuffle. I will redirect this file to /tmpkk. So now my /tmpkk is having some number which is not in sequential manner. So what we'll do, short -n. Okay, if you are not using short, if you use just short without option, so it will sequence, but I will make some changes. vi/tmpkk 1 and 155. Okay, so if I do short, it is just checking the first, because 155 is greater than 51. It is going up in a sequence because it is shorting as a character. If I use -n, this will work in a numeric code, and if I use r, it will work in a reverse mode. So you can use -n and -r both together, so it will give you a reverse manner. Okay, so this is how you can do. Then we are having command called test. This is very useful. You are able to see test is not giving any output, but it will work. Test -f and file, then ampersand echo true. So it will check file is present with that name or not. Not present. Okay, so it's not printing true because in my system file name is file is not present. So I will do am, so it will print true. We'll go furthermore. We'll go if file is present, then print true, or if not present, echo false. So it's printing true because it's there. But if I do am1, it will print false. This is very useful when you're writing a script to check file is present or not. You can go with the directory is present or not. So like I'm having a directory called Tuesday, so I will use this word in that thing. Double click test-d Tuesday is there true, not there false, so it will print true. So we got directory and files. Now we are having command xargs arguments. Okay, it will take input from the first and pass to a parameter to second command, like we are in echo, and I'll do 1 2 3. It's printing 1 2 3, but I want to create using this 1 2 3. I want to create some file xargs arguments, and I'll put touch. What will happen? It will create 3 file 1 2 3. See, 2 3 and 1 got created. So it's bit hard because you have to go up and down. So what you can do, ls-lrth, all the file will come in a bottom. Okay, 1 2 3 got created. So using this you can pass in any argument. So I will do rm, so it will ask me you want to delete or not. So 1 2 3 got deleted. So xargs will take input from this and pass this input to this direct, okay, this file. So what xargs do, the output of this command will be passed as an input to this command, and you will get a file or directory, whatever you want. Now to list down the block list, lsblk, okay, block device list. So like I'm having a block device SDA, this is my disk, SDA1 is created on that, then SDA2 and RGL root and shep is also created, and it's mounted on slash boot, it's mounted on slash, this is web partition, this is slash, and this is UUID. So this how you can understand how your disk and device is allocated. So it will list block device like we have done dff-h to see the file system. Now I want to know like slash under root what's the size of files, because I'm not able to see the file. So what you can do, du, so it will show you the size of every file. .sh is having 16 MB, these are the 4 MB. Or you can do du-ah, human readable thing. So you will do k, okay, it will check the hidden file and give the, if you don't want hidden file you can use -h, 44 byte 16k, okay, 44 KB and 16 KB, the size you can see. Why I am showing you, because like you will get some file system alert and some version will be in UID. I'm not able to see the details and it's consuming my data, so you are not sure how much it's consuming. So du-h, okay, so you can say lost and found is taking this much and this is the size. So you can do du-sh, okay, and if you put a star, it will give all the directory. Like Amit is using 4 KB, 16 KB is used by this. So du is disk utilize and df is disk file system, you can use it. Then next command we are having date, which will tell you the system date. So my current system date is April 13, is 2:38, okay, this midnight. So date command we can use calculator or calendar. First we'll use cal, so it will show current month calendar if you want. This is not very useful. This is sometime if you are stuck in only CLI that you can use. Then we are having calculator BC, okay, started 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14, or 9 minus 5 4. So this is how it works. Now into 9 81, control C, come out of this. Then we are having a split like cat anaconda. Okay, it's not there. First we go to that cat anaconda.cfg. This is having the multiple line. I want to split the file in five lines. So what we'll do, split, okay, -n and count I will give 5 to anaconda.cfg. Now let's see, it has created xaa, xab, xac, ad and aa. So if we do wc-l and I want all the file starting with x, and after x I don't care. So xaa, ab, ac, ad, aa, okay. So do cat hex aa. So it has split, okay. So it has split the file into lines. If we are not giving anything, what it will do, See, this many line, it will split the file in a multiple line, 18, 18, 13, 65, like this. So I want to remove all the files starting with X. I don't care after that. Okay, X, A, S, B, C, D, E. It's like that only. So you can use star. Now we are having one called time. It's not the real time. Okay, it will tell you the time is being consumed by command to print the output of the screen. See, it's showing df-h came in 0.002 seconds. Okay, we'll say ping google.com. Okay, once you do Control C, it's showing it has taken 1 minute, 1 second. Okay, because we have did the Control C, or else let it run for some time. You will come to know how much time it has consumed. Now I will do the Control C. See, it's showing 6 seconds. So you can use time with any command to know what's the time is taken by that command. Now we are having command called tree. So what is tree? Tree will show the tree structure. See, these all are the files inside my home directory, but there is a directory called Tuesday which is having file called AK. So it is showing the tree structure. If we want to see the actual tree structure, we'll go in cd/ and we'll run tree. You will get huge data, so we'll use less command with that. See, there's a file called dot. Under dot we are having boot. Under boot we are having this much directory, and then i386 pc we are having this many files. So let's go further. See, line by line tree structure is showing. So it is useful in some of the cases like cd/etc tree. Here also you'll get tree structure, like how the file and directory is created, which is the main branch, which is the lower branch you can use. Now df-h we are using, and it's keep on changing, like sometime it's keep on changing, and you want to watch multiple time, you will run df-h. This is not required. There's a command called watch, and if you do wcf-h, what is showing every 2 seconds it is running that command on your behalf, and it is updating you. See, 43, 4, 6, 8, 10. So how every 2 seconds it is running and updating you. If there are some command which is keep on changing, so in that case it is very useful. Okay, so I think we have covered most of the things. I have made a separate video for each and every command. I will put that thing in a description to learn about those separate command if you want to learn. So that's all for today's video. We have captured multiple commands we have run. If I'm missing any command which is useful to you, please use the comment box to put the comment. I will try to answer the questions which you will ask to me. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Keep learning.